Remote First Nations communities are facing a challenge. High rates of mental health crises but low rates of people accessing care. Community members battling addiction but unable to seek help. The problem isn't that people don't want help, but it's where the help is located. Usually when we think of mental health and addiction services, we think of the health center. It has bright lights, a sterile feeling, and often sits in the center of the community. For a community member, walking through those doors can carry a heavy weight. They fear the stigma of being seen. Or they may not be able to afford the gas to drive into town and get the care they need. But what if we could remove those barriers? What if instead of asking a person in crisis to come to the clinic, we brought a warm, safe counseling space right to their driveway? This is the mobile counseling van, and this is how it restores balance to our land-based communities. The first barrier that we remove is visibility. A standard white vehicle or medical van can scream emergency or sickness. This can keep people away. We view the exterior of this van as a canvas for your community. We encourage the use of custom cultural decal packages. Imagine the youth in your community designing the artwork or a local artist, creating a design that represents your community. It immediately transforms the van into a symbol of hope and becomes something that belongs to the community. This visual shift is the first step in building trust before anyone even opens the door. The second barrier is physical. If a community member can't afford gas or the winter roads are bad, they're cut off from support. True equity means that we go to them. This van was built on the Ram Promises chassis that can be equipped with the trail package. This trail package includes a front grille guard, upgraded 10-ply tires, underbody steel protection package, upgraded suspension, and brake gravel guards. It's engineered to tackle rough or snowy terrain. The mobile counseling van is designed to adapt to the needs of the moment. Crisis intervention, harm reduction, or addiction support. When your community members are in need, the van is ready to respond. It ensures the support system is never severed by financial or weather restraints. To truly remove barriers, we've equipped the mobile counseling van with a side entry ramp, designed for both wheelchair users and walk-on patients. We know that elders are the keepers of wisdom in our communities, yet are often the most vulnerable to isolation due to mobility challenges. Our team knew that we couldn't leave that wisdom behind. Equipping the vehicle with a side entry ramp ensures that elders with mobility challenges or anyone that needs it can access the counseling space. It's built with anti-slip material that's safe during wet or snowy seasons, and we've included grab handles for extra assistance. Once inside, we use the auto floor system. This flexible floor allows you to safely transport wheelchairs during transportation if needed, allowing you to bring anyone along with you no matter their mobility needs, ensuring elders and those with mobility needs can enter with dignity and take their rightful place in the circle of care. The final barrier to overcome was the environment itself. Our innovation team started with the point of view that the interior space had to be welcoming, so we designed the interior from the ground up with that in mind, using wood grain vinyl flooring and soft seating to create a living room atmosphere. We can include interior decals or graphite paneling like you see in this vehicle if you want to avoid the white sterile look. Dimmable LED lighting in the interior speakers allow your outreach workers to control the mood and de-escalate crisis situations immediately. The walls include specialized insulation serving a dual purpose, dampening the sound to keep your conversations private from the outside world, and temperature insulation works alongside our high-capacity heating and air conditioning unit to maintain a comfortable environment, warm in the harsh winters and cool in the hot summers. Seating is arranged to encourage a side-by-side conversation, allowing elders and counselors to speak with people in crisis, not at them. This supports honoring our strengths framework, prioritizes relationship over procedure. The seating can be customized to suit the type of counseling your community needs, with single seating or a larger couch option available. The available ventilation and skylight option allows you to bring fresh air in. This allows for smudging and ceremony inside the vehicle, ensuring that you don't have to ask a community member to leave their culture at the door. The van also serves as a secure mobile hub for harm reduction. We have installed lockable cabinets along the interior of the vehicle. This allows your team to carry everything they need, from clean supplies in a lock zone to food, drinks, and blankets to those in need. For youth and community members struggling with addictions, we know that walking into a clinic is a massive barrier. That is where the digital handshake comes in. They might not walk in for therapy, but they will walk in to charge their phone. We have power outlets and satellite Wi-Fi available. You can invite them inside to charge the device without any pressure. It's a non-threatening way to build trust and make a connection before moving into a clinical discussion. Mobile counseling is about breaking down barriers to care. It's about making mental health and addictions treatment accessible by meeting people where they are, physically, emotionally, and culturally. We designed this mobile counseling vehicle to be a vessel for the First Nations mental wellness continuum. Even though the vehicle serves complex needs, our innovation team had one goal from the beginning: keep it simple. It's designed so that mental health professionals can bring their expertise wherever it's needed to, breaking down the barriers that have existed for too long, ensuring that every community member feels comfortable accessing the support they deserve. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. We're always here to help.